After hours of meticulous drafting, you might need a simple way to demonstrate your schematics to clients or stakeholders. In Capital Electra X, you can export your diagrams as PDFs and effortlessly guide your audience through your schematics with interactive and clickable wire links. This ensures a seamless navigation experience for you and your audience as you explore the diagrams. In addition, you may also attach hyperlinks to external websites within your PDFs. Here's how. Right-click on a shape, select Hyperlink and click Insert Hyperlink. In the dialog box, select URL, paste a website link, and insert a description to easily identify the hyperlink. You may also jump between pages within the same PDF in a click. In the same dialog, select Page and choose the specific page you want to jump to. Finally, export as PDF. The swift navigation to websites and different pages will allow your audience to interactively explore your circuit diagrams.